Box-bottom coffee bags by ClearBags come in multiple sizes and are food safe. With multiple color options, coffee stays fresh long after the first cup with the Resealable Pocket Zipper and the Way Degassing Valve. The bags are made of thick 5mm material with strong bottom and side seams to keep coffee fresh and create a durable barrier. Side gussets expand, allowing the bag to stand and hold more product. The bottom also gussets open into a flat bottom so they stand upright on market and pantry shelves. The Way Degassing Valve is specifically designed so naturally occurring gases from coffee escape without letting air inside, so your customers get the best taste in every cup, and the bags open on top for easy loading. Heat seal the bags to close and create a health-conscious, tamper-proof closure in the retail environment. Give your customers the assurance that they are the first to open the bag when they tear open the Resealable Pocket Zipper from these durable bags. Made of high-quality Kraft material and durable MBOPP material on the black and silver bags. Be fresh with box-bottom coffee bags by ClearBags.